Today we have this 4 Series in 420i for investigation, drivetrain light on, engine management light on. Customer said that he had it scanned 4 times now and it says that the exhaust camshaft is stuck. So I'm going to guess that it's going to be the Vanos central valve. I'm going to run the test module first to make sure that it's also not the hub, because the last one that I did, it actually needed a hub, and I could hear like a very loud rattling sound. Someone's done a Vanos central valve, and then they just send it off to We Buy Any Car, wherever it is. It went to auction. He bought it from an auction, and he had that fault. So I'm going to run the test module first, and then I'll start stripping it down to find out what the damage is. So there we have it, the typical exhaust camshaft jammed. For some reason it's always on the exhaust side. I've not seen it on the intake side. And the position not reached as well. So I'm going to run the test module, see what it sounds like, and then we'll go from there. So the exhaust side is out of spec. You just won't adjust. But it doesn't sound like the Vanos hub has failed. When they fail, usually there is a really loud rattling noise coming from the engine, almost like a timing chain. So I'm going to take it apart, take the exhaust Vanos central valve out and inspect it. So I'm in the process of taking it all apart. As you can see, these injectors, they have those little seals. That's usually comes from factory. You don't have to refit them. So that would indicate to me that it hasn't been apart yet. Okay, so the engine is locked into safe position. I have removed the Vanos central valve out. The timer was out. The timer wasn't out. It was perfectly fine. So yeah, that's the central valve, and you can see when it actually gets some sharpness, it just failed. So that's it. I'm going to replace that, put it back together, run the test again, and that fault should disappear. So here we have the new Vanos central valve for comparison. I'm going to fit that, torque it to spec, and put it all back together. So I just put the car back together, done the road test, cleared all the faults, done about 7 miles, came back, there's no fault stored. So that issue that the customer was having was related to the Vanos central valve. There was no other issues, such as Vanos hub, anything like that. Timing was within spec, so that was basically the whole problem with the car. Just need to refit all the trims, wipers, etc., and then the car is ready to collect.